Actividad de aprendizaje 15, evidencia 8, Presentation, Step to Sport, presentado por Alexander Álvarez Bedoya, SENA, Tecnología de Gestión Logística. Step to Sport. 1. Tariff Subhandling Location. Locate the tariff subhand of your product. You must consult the customs tariff. DIAN is the only official entity authorized to determine the tariff classification. 2. Registration and exporter. The single tax register RUT is the only mechanism to identify, locate, and classify the subject obligation administered and controlled by the National Tax and Customs Directorate DIAN. 3. Market study and location of potential demand. Exporting immediately requires a market selection where the specific characteristics of the country or region to which you want to export are determined. Identification of distribution channels, export price, habits and preference of consumers in the country or region, entry requirements, approval, text, tariff references, and the other factors that are involved in the process of selling abroad. 4. Approval producers. Is the important the checking of production. Require approval under prior premise for export authorization. Dismiss the process before filing the export declaration DEX with DIAN. 5. Custom producer for DIAN clearance. When you have the goods right and according to negotiation income terms, you say is applicable of a freighter forwarder, air, or shipping agent to contract the international transportation. If the amount is greater than 10 million, it must be made for the Customs Administration where the merchandise is going to be dispatched, attacking the following documents: commercial invoice, parking list if required, sanitary registration or vistos buenos if required of the product, transport document, other documents requeridos of the product de export. 6. Means of payment. It imports to consider how your customer will pay for the export. For this, there are different international payment instruments, such as letters of credit, warranty letters, warranties, among others, that provide security in the transaction. Be sure. 7. Foreign exchange producer foreign currency refund. Al export generates the obligation to repatriate the foreign currency through foreign exchange intermediaries, commercial bank, and the other financial institutions. Thank you.